Alright guys, here we got a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia, and this new truck has got issues with like braking. So you try to apply the brakes, and what happened, especially when you need, it doesn't matter loaded or unloaded, you're trying to actually apply the brakes, and then what happened is just you get this vibration that it gives you the feeling that it doesn't matter that you're actually applying the brake. It feels like you're not stopping, and actually it pushes you up. It's almost like a ABS, almost like that. At least that's the closest I can compare it to. But anyway, so we went in the shop. They said they didn't have the parts, so it's like, you know, this 2 weeks later, finally got it back in, and these guys, they did it, you know. I mean, first trip, I mean, I just started, but like you can see, they changed completely from right here. Oh, this is new. I think the guy called it something like a spider. And then if you look inside in here, you can see that it does have new brake shoes, new drums. This bracket right here, that bracket there, I'm not sure, that's something that holds the drums and maybe even the wheels. I'm not sure what the name of that is, but even that's changed, completely new. So slack adjuster, I don't think they changed, that's still the original. So, but they did this on this side right here, it's completely changed. So far so good, and you can see it over here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, yeah, that thing is like brand new. So I like it so far, so good. And they did that on both sides. So let's see if that problem comes back. I mean, I don't want to see it, but anyway, this is a 2018 Cascadia.